You guys have a concert coming up. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, we'll be at the Bethesda Blues and Jazz on the 24th of this month. Also with another DC legend, Bobby Felder and his Blue Notes. And everybody from around town knows Bobby Felder and his Blue Notes.
You know what? You gotta make me a big T-shirt that says "I am funk."
Okay, I'll get you
No,
one.
I am funk.
Oh. Now. I'm gonna need y'all to
All
work
right,
that
hold
out.
on. And Mike, let's probably put some bass in his voice when you said it. I saw you look over the camera. Everybody like, okay, where's this gonna go? That brother just stole my thunder. He's like, no. Okay, so look here. Now that you're funk, explain to us what qualifies and establishes you as funk, brother.
Well, we actually started back in the day before funk started.
Okay, so he shut me up on that one. Coach Tanya, what does he mean we started though? Like all like 8 years old, talking about back in the day. What's the name of his band? Do you know the name of his band off the top of your head?
Yes, you mean?
Yeah, do you know? Leadhead?
Yeah.
You get a name like Leadhead. Why's a name like Leadhead? You know, I can mess with that a whole bunch of different ways. I'm gonna be nice.
Explain
One way to mess
Explain
with
to
it.
him
The
how
right
you-
way.
The right way.
Explain to him how you
I
feel
just
about
keep
that.
inviting people on the show, man. Let me put my armband on. I keep inviting people on the show to be checking me. Like, there's only one way to do it. Tony, he looked me right in my face.
On
said,
the one.
there's only one way to do it. The right way. On the one.
And what's the right way?
On the one.
Okay.
Can you explain to Ron and everybody and the other dude that's in here what does on the one mean? What is on the, for those of you who don't know, like Reggie don't know what the on the one is.
There's 4 beats in a measure, and when you come down on the one, that's where the funk is.
Okay, well, Marvin, can you explain to me what he just said?
I want to let him elaborate on that.
Okay, so let me show you what he's saying. Let me visualize it for you. So there's 4 beats in the measure, 4, F-O.
In a measure. Yep.
In a measure, 4.
That first one is that strong one.
Yep.
Whoa, Coach!